So you're thinking about moving to Kansas City, Missouri, particularly Independence, Missouri? Well, we've got you covered, because on this episode, we're gonna take a look at this property behind me. We're gonna do a comprehensive walkthrough, talk about everything this property has to offer, all the great benefits this property has to offer, and with one caveat that you guys are really gonna enjoy. We're gonna talk about owner finance versus traditional finance, which this is a big opportunity for a lot of people because it's an option to traditional finance. So stick with us to the end. We've got great information for you guys. You definitely don't want to miss this. So let's get into it. Hi, my name's Fernando Marquez, and this is my channel, Investing and Living in Kansas City. I've been a real estate agent for over 5 years and a real estate investor here in the Kansas City metropolitan area for over 8 years. So if this is the first time in your channel, please click like and subscribe. All the information is in the description below, and click the bell icon so you get notified when we add new videos to the channel. So this property right here, one of the benefits to this is a buddy of mine that's a flipper and is also an agent, is that this property, they're offering it on the MLS as a regular listing, okay? But at the same time, they also have the option, they're also offering out as an option as an owner finance. So after we do the walkthrough, we'll talk about the numbers, and we'll delve in a little bit more detail about traditional financing versus owner financing. So like I mentioned, I've been a real estate investor for over 8 years and agent for 5. I've been a Kansas City resident for over 38 years. And in that time, I've seen tons of growth on both sides of the line. And a lot of that growth is coming east of Kansas City. That's why we're here in Independence, Missouri today. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Send us a text, email, phone call, or better yet, set up a Zoom call so we can meet face to face and share resources. Para mi comunidad hispana, no duden en comunicarse con nosotros, porque en este episodio estamos hablando de financiamiento de dueño a dueño y vamos a hacer una revisión de esta casa detrás de nosotros. So, si esto es algo que ustedes están interesados, no duden en comunicarse con nosotros, un correo, texto, llamada, o mejor todavía, una llamada tipo Zoom para conocerlo cara en cara en la computadora y compartir recursos. So no duden, estamos aquí para ustedes. So don't hesitate to reach out there. So we're here for you guys. God bless and thank you. Okay, folks, before we jump in there and do the comprehensive walkthrough, let's take a look at the neighborhood around us. All right, folks, so here's the exterior of the property. Okay, let's take a look around the neighborhood. So this is an older neighborhood. I mean, most of the houses in this neighborhood, probably in the early 1900s. A lot of them have been redone, like the one we're looking at here. And at the same time, some have not. But this is definitely a flourishing area town. A lot of the new development and a lot of the rehabs are coming east. And Independence is right in line because we're east of Kansas City. So let's go ahead and look a little bit on the side of the house. Look at all these old trees. And you know how I always talk about trees. Now you can see on this property itself, this property was gutted. There was, I think the entire roof was replaced, not just the roof itself, but all of the rafters. It went through an extensive renovation. Right? So everything you see on here is basically brand new. All of the siding, gutters, a lot of the structural components of this property were redone. Obviously all the windows, all the trim, the HVAC system. Look at that, that's the apartment upstairs. We'll get into that here in a little bit. I'm going over here a little bit better just because there's a lot of gravel here, not trade grass. So here's the exterior, obviously. It's got a small deck off the back. And then you have access to the basement, but it's through the outside. So there's gonna be a bunch of storage there. We're not gonna go downstairs on this one, it's not necessary. But everything's been taken care of. This is basically this property. I couldn't tell you exactly the amount, but I bet it's 90% brand new, minus the foundation. I mean, I saw some before and after pictures. So really the before pictures are pretty amazing. They did an excellent job. Siding's super nice. Let's go ahead and come into the property. The first thing you see is this really large open area. So I'm at the front door coming in. So right here would be your living room area. You come into a dining area and obviously the kitchen. Let's take this. So if you see the flooring all throughout is obviously brand new. This is a luxury vinyl planking. Look at these larger windows. These are pretty tall, which is necessary because we've got like at least 10-foot ceilings in here. So it's nice to have windows that accentuate the height of the ceilings in here. Very nice, all vinyl, brand new windows. Now look at all these cabinets. Very nice. Look at the tile work that was done. Now, as you can see, the stainless steel appliance package. A lot of times in a lot of rehabs, they don't put refrigerators, but they did here. So you literally don't have to worry about any of that. Look at the tile work. Nice quartz. Look at the vein. When you're looking at quartz, you got quartz. The difference in price in many of them is going to be the color and these veins, these gray veins. So it's a higher end quartz. Look at that really nice hexagon background. These are very nice wood cabinets. Look at all that room up there. Very nice. I definitely like it. Here's your pantry. Lots of room in there. So I know a lot of folks really dig this open floor concept, which is what you've got right here. Now I'm in the corner as if I was, cooking. You turn around, complete open area, great family area. Put a TV up on that wall, dinner parties, everything's completely open and very nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at bedroom number 1. Very nice sized bedroom. These high ceilings definitely make a huge difference. Look at that large window right there looking out the front. Another very tall window looking to the side. Very nice walk-in closet. Let's turn on the light here. There you go. Nice bedroom. So that was bedroom number 1. Now we're coming here off the kitchen. First one is bathroom number 1. Look at this. Look at that tile work. Very nice. You have some custom niches in the back. Now, what they did here is what I like to see, whereas the tile work goes from the floor all the way to the ceiling. Sometimes they'll stop just above the shower, but they didn't here. I think it just makes everything look super nice. And then you can see the back wall tile ties into the floor. I like this medicine cabinet. It has the lit background. Very nice. Now we're going down the hallway here. And we're going into bedroom number 2. These are all very, very large, very nice sized bedrooms. And these are, and that's what you get with these older homes. The rooms were just bigger. Nowadays on new construction, they'd be a lot smaller. Nice size walk-in closet. Now let's continue down the hallway. Now we're towards the back of the property. Okay, now over here would be your first floor laundry. You put a stackable in there. That's exactly what most people want. There is going to be your breaker box. Here is bathroom number 2. So we continue with the same style and design that the other bathroom in terms of tile, color. Same here, the same backlit mirror. And in this bathroom is your hot water heater. Okay, so now we're coming back here. We are in bedroom number 3. Very nice size. Now this faces the back of the house. And nice walk-in closet. Now if you look up top, ceiling fans. There's ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, which is a plus. I do that in all of mine as well. So now, let's go ahead and go upstairs. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Lots of natural light. Look how high this is. Very nice chandelier up top. Here's a hallway closet. And now we're coming into bedroom number 4. Lots of natural light. The closet. Bedroom number 4, and this is gonna be bathroom number 3. So all the lights are up top. Now we're facing the front of the house over here. And this is bathroom number 3. Lots of natural light. This one is a shower, double vanity, backlit, very large mirror. And then you've got your shower. They did a very nice job on the shower with the accent. Floor to ceiling tile is definitely what you want. Okay, so let's go out on the deck. It's a really nice sunny day. So this is the view on the deck towards the street. We had walked up here earlier. This is the backyard. It's got a lot of shade. A lot of shade back here. There's a lot you can do with this backyard over here. I mean, you can always extend this deck a little bit more, make more room. It's nice and flat, so there's a lot you can do back here. Play area for the kids, things like that. We got enough for driveway there for several cars. All right, let's go back inside. Okay, folks, so here we're at right now. We're gonna be talking about the numbers on this property. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath property. It is listed for $289,000. Now, let's just recap a couple things. This house was built up basically 90% completely brand new. So this is a turnkey. Everything you've got in here is gonna be deferred maintenance. So that's 4-bedroom, 3-bath. The upstairs is the master, okay, that we went through. So it's very nice. Everything's done for you. You don't have to worry about anything on this property when you purchase it. So some of the things, though, the main thing that I wanted to point out is that the sellers here are also offering this as an owner finance, okay? So what does that mean? That means that you don't have to go the traditional route of financing. Where the traditional route of financing is you go to the bank, you fill out an application, or a mortgage broker, you fill out an application, and based on your income and your credit score, okay, it'll determine whether you qualify for that property or you do not qualify for that property. So on an owner finance, it's not as strict. So the main thing here on the owner finance is that you have enough to put the down payment. So on this particular property, the sellers are looking for a 10% down payment. 10% of $289,000 is $28,900. So a lot of people do have cash resources, but for whatever reason, they don't have very good credit, okay? And it can be for a whole host of reasons. That's irrelevant in this situation, okay? So if you've got at least that amount down, then you can go into negotiations and talk with the seller, okay? The big thing on here, when you do an owner finance, is that it goes through the process just like a regular property that you purchase. or you sell, it goes to the title company, it gets registered, the interest rate, your monthly payments, all that stuff is disclosed. You know what you get into. It's exactly the same process as if you were going to purchase a property through traditional means. The only difference is the lender being a private individual or private corporation, or is it going to be, you know, your local bank or mortgage broker? So that's basically the difference between the two. But the opportunities that you get when you do you purchase something through an owner finance is all those other benefits that I talked about. So it gives an opportunity for tons of people out there who don't have very good credit, okay, to still get into a new home, okay, or a newer home, or be able to live the American dream and make a purchase. So those are the things that are a great benefit to a huge swath of the community who have credit issues. So this is one of the reasons I wanted to go ahead and talk about this, because I've done this before several times with properties that I own as an investor, and it's a great opportunity. Whenever you can go out there, you can help somebody get into a home and uplift that family. It's very fulfilling. It's a great opportunity for people. It's a great opportunity for me to be able to help people. So this is one of the reasons I wanted to showcase this house. I personally know the owner and the flipper, super nice guy, excellent realtor, excellent individual. So if this is something you guys are interested in, don't hesitate to reach out. This property is listed on the MLS. There's a showing this afternoon, an open house. So if it's something like this, by the time they post this video, it's probably going to be a couple weeks. But if you're looking for opportunities like this in the Kansas City metropolitan area, definitely reach out to me. I know a lot of investors, I know a lot of sellers that use seller finances as a way to sell properties. So don't hesitate to reach out to us, Nate, or send me a phone number, a text, an email, or leave a comment down below and set up a Zoom call. We definitely make this happen for you. Thank you and God bless.